For all you ladies in Texas, trust me when I tell you this. When you're seated in your restroom, putting on your Maybelline, when I need to take a leak, I'm not going there. America, America, it cannot be said too strongly or too often that this great nation was not founded by religionists, but by Christians. Not on religions, but on the gospel of Jesus Christ. Patrick Henry, great orator, one of our founding fathers, said that. The Apostle Paul said the gospel has divine power to demolish strongholds. The reason the political pundits argue ad hominem ad infinitum, the reason no one ever changes their mind on television night after night after night after night, they call each other left, right, liberal, right wing, left wing. But there's never any gospel there, ever. No talk about sin. No talk about repentance. None. No talk about Jesus, the Son of God. Nothing. And we wonder why we wound up like we are. I am not ashamed of the gospel, because the gospel is the power of God for the salvation of everyone who believes. First for the Jew, then for the Gentile. That's everybody.